and today we're here to sell our zebrafish patty.
Sorry I'm late. Patty is a great fish who needs a great home.
Because we really can't take care of her anymore.
Now, for a limited time only, you can get Patty for the low price of 2 payments of $19.99.
Shipping and handling not included.
But before you get your wallet,
let us tell you how we raise and how to take care of our sweet patty. These are a few tips for taking care of your zebrafish.
the water your fish should be kept in should be kept at a pH of around 6.8 to 7.5, and the temperature of the water should be about 27 degrees Celsius.
When first hatched, you can only have a filter that creates oxygen in the water because a normal filter will harm your zebrafish. Then once it's fully grown, the tank needs to have a normal filter so the water can circulate and stay clean.
When first hatched, your zebrafish needs to be fed paramecium because they're too small to eat fish food.
If you properly take care of your zebrafish, it should live for about 3 years.
There's not a warranty for fish living less than 3 years.
Now we know what you're thinking. What if my zebrafish has babies?
Well, in the event that your zebrafish would have babies, here are the guidelines for caring for the eggs.
We kept our eggs in a small petri dish of 0.5 ppm of methylene blue, and it was added into the water in order to stop the growth of bacteria.
Every day, the water has to be cleaned. We took out about 6 milliliters of water out of the dish every day and replaced it with 6 more milliliters of clean, fresh water.
Sadly, many of the fish do die within the first few days of fertilization, which is why we are now, for a limited time only, giving you 3 zebrafish with your purchase.
That's right, 3 zebrafish for the price of 1.
This offer ends if you do not call within the next 3 minutes.
Shipping and handling fees are still not included.
The zebrafish starts as an unfertilized egg, which is laid by the mother.
Then, the father fertilizes the egg, turning them into zygotes.
From this moment, development begins.
The zygote enters a phase of rapid development called cleavage.
This is when the zygote goes through rapid divisions, otherwise known as mitosis.
However, when the cells split, they do not grow because they have to reach a normal cell size.
This is because the original egg is enormous.
The yolk, which is found in the center of the egg, provides nutrients for the developing zebrafish.
The eyes can also be seen in this stage of development.
Also, the developing notochord is found in the tail-like structure of the fish.
Finally, the heart is found behind the head but is not visible in this picture. Here is an image of the second stage of development.
The second stage of development is the hatching period.
Only a small portion of the yolk is present because the fish is preparing to hatch.
Also, the eyes have developed into their adult form.
Finally, the fish hatches into a swimming larva.
Here's an image of this stage.
During this phase, the heart can be seen clearly as well as the eyes.
The notochord can also be seen.
The following video shows the newly hatched zebrafish. If you look closely, it is possible to see the heart beating. Here are a few customers who have already been satisfied by the purchase of our zebrafish.
I love zebrafish. I bought 7.
Now tell me, Emma, have you been satisfied with your purchase of zebrafish?
I love zebrafish. They are my best friend. I think that everyone should have one. You get a zebrafish. You get a zebrafish. You all get zebrafish.
While we may keep our zebrafish as pets, they also have many different uses.
Some zebrafish are used in labs because they are genetically similar to humans.
For example, nearly all the proteins in zebrafish have the same functions in humans.
Because they are so similar to us, we use zebrafish for medical testing.
But it's not just because they are genetically similar. Zebrafish can absorb chemicals that are put into the water, therefore making it easy to introduce new things to them.
Also, zebrafish embryos are transparent, so any change can be easily seen.
Finally, zebrafish are easier to take care of than mice or rats.
And we are forgetting the most important use of zebrafish.
Pets! I mean, who wouldn't want an adorable zebrafish?
Before we go, let's hear from one more customer who can't get enough of our zebrafish.
I love zebrafish so much because they're so colorful and cute.
I was recommended to buy even 20 zebrafish because the last person bought 7 and I love them.
We've made it clear that everyone else loves their zebrafish, so all that's left to do now is order your own.
That's right, so get out your wallet and order your zebrafish now.